Hello kids, I am Jisha. Today we will learn vowel U long sound words. Let's read UE words. CUB cube, TUB tube, MULE mule, RULE rule, CUTE cute, DUKE duke, FUSE fuse, HUGE huge, JUNE June, MUTE mute, TUNE tune, JUTE jute, SURE sure, CURE cure, PURE pure, MUSE muse. UE words. DUE due, SUE sue, CLUE clue, GLUE glue. Now let's practice. CUBE cube, CUBE cube, CUBE cube, CUBE cube. Next, MULE mule, MULE mule, MULE mule, MULE mule. Next, GLUE glue, GLUE glue, GLUE glue, GLUE glue. And next, BLUE blue, BLUE blue, BLUE blue, BLUE blue. And next, look at the pictures and fill in the missing letter. Here are some pictures and here are some letters. We fill the missing letters. T dash B dash. Say tube. T U B E. TUBE tube. And this one dash U dash E. Say which month? Say June. JUNE June. And say cute boy. CUTE cute. And this one say jute bag. JUTE jute. Okay, understood? Thank you.